Student of class 12 presenting the small role play activity on biocontrolling agent and biofertilizer. From this activity, we give some information about biocontrolling agent and biofertilizer. We perform this activity in two groups. First one is biocontrolling agent. The member of this group is Sahil, Rupak and Pratik.
Sahil, what are you doing?
I am spraying pesticides on crops.
Don't spray pesticides or insecticides on the plants. It only harms the plants and reduces the yield of crop. I have another biocontroller too. Nothing like insecticides or pesticides. So come over here, I will tell you. Biocontrols. Biocontrols refer to the use of biological method to control over plant disease and pests. Some of the examples of biocontrol agents are dragonflies, which control over mosquitoes. Another one is beetles, which has white and red markings, also called as ladybird, and which controls over the aphids.
Another biocontrol agent is Bacillus thuringiensis. As the name suggests, Bacillus, it's a bacteria. It controls butterflies and caterpillars. It is present in the form of dry spores in the market. Just we have to mix it with water and spray on the vulnerable plants such as brassicas. It goes inside the gut of the larva and create pores in the epithelium gut and to kill the larva.
At last, but not the least. Hello guys, I am a baculovirus. These are the viral pathogens that attacks on insects and other arthropods. Let's take an example, nucleopolyhedrovirus. These viruses are excellent agents for species-specific, narrow-spectrum and insecticidal application and no negative effects on birds, mammals, plants, fishes, etc.
And our second group is biofertilizer. The member of this group is Vaishnavi, Mosmi, Trisha, Jia and Dhanashri.
Vaishnavi, what are you doing?
Nothing. I was just spreading the fertilizer on the crops.
Fertilizer? Let me see. Vaishnavi, this is a chemical fertilizer.
Yeah, I know.
Have you ever thought of its consequences?
Yes, it yields large amount of crops.
Though it yields large amount of crops, but it is not good for soil fertility.
Then what should I do?
See, I am a biofertilizer. I am the organism that enrich the nutrient quality of soil.
Then what is the use of chemical fertilizer?
It is so easy. It just works opposite to the chemical fertilizer. Let's differentiate. I am a biofertilizer.
I am a chemical fertilizer.
I am made up of organic materials such as manure, compost and vermicompost.
I am made up of inorganic materials like ammonium chloride and ammonium sulfate.
My shelf life is shorter.
My shelf life is longer.
My NPK value is low.
My NPK value is high.
My main source is bacteria, fungi and cyanobacteria. So, my first source is bacteria. Let's introduce to bacteria.
As you all know that the farmers sow leguminous crops in their fields and the sowing causes the deficiency of nitrogen in the soil. And to fulfill that deficiency, I am helpful. Hi, I am bacteria. Bacteria fixes the atmospheric nitrogen into the simpler form which is used by the plants to fix the deficiency of nitrogen into the soil. My free living examples are Azospirillum and Azotobacter and the symbiotic association of Rhizobium.
My second source is cyanobacteria. So let's introduce it.
Good morning everyone, I am Cyanobacteria. I am particularly a blue-green algae I found in terrestrial as well as aquatic areas. And some of my examples are Anabina, Nostoc and Oscillatoria. I use for two main reasons, nitrogen fixation and increases soil fertility. These kind of bacteria have special kind of cells which are called heterocysts. These used for nitrogen fixation and it converts inorganic matter into organic matter and increases soil fertility. Thank you.
And my last source is fungi. So let's introduce it.
Hi everyone, I am mycorrhiza. I am the symbiotic association between fungi, that is glomus, and roots of higher plants. I have some benefits. I absorb phosphorus from soil and it passes to plant. I increase in plant growth and development. I resistance to root-borne pathogen and tolerance to salinity and drought. Thank you. So from this act, we can conclude that which fertilizer is best for our crops.
As we seen, in biocontrol agent, most preferable biocontrol agents are efficiently used than the pesticides or insecticides.
On the whole 12th class, I would like to thanks you all to listen our activity patiently, and I hope you will learn a lot of things from this. Thank you.